Hello, I'm Vice Admiral Thompson, Director of DLA, and I'm here to talk to you about an effort focused on taking our agency to the next level as an integrated global logistics enterprise. The name of this initiative is We Are DLA and will help us to better connect with our stakeholders and customers. Many of you know that DLA has field activities in 28 countries and 48 states, and I'm sure most of you have noticed that our organizational names throughout the agency are somewhat inconsistent. This is not surprising since the organizations forming DLA today came together over the last several decades. But we know this situation leads to confusion for our partners, many of which do business with DLA daily, yet may not realize that the organization they count on is part of our enterprise. I've heard a number of stories from our customers who, when asked how they like the support they receive from DLA, respond, "I don't do business with DLA," never aware that the repair parts, uniforms, food, medical supplies, fuel, or construction materials they work with come from our agency. This type of misunderstanding means we need to communicate the diversity of DLA and its global reach more clearly. Our renaming efforts are the first step in creating a single agency environment, internally and externally, so that the relationship of our activities and organizations is clear and easily understood. I think these changes will show that we are united as an agency, regardless of geographic location. In turn, our change benefits you. A more unified DLA will provide better customer support and a seamless, intuitive customer experience. For us, We Are DLA is about more than names. It's about helping our customers, stakeholders, and the American public see the full value of DLA. Thank you for watching and for all the great work you do every day.